Hello everyone, and welcome back. If you've been searching for a natural way to reduce wrinkles, tighten your skin, and bring back that youthful glow without spending hundreds on treatments, today's video might surprise you. Because right inside your kitchen, there's a powerful combination most people completely overlook. We're talking about bay leaves and cloves. Simple ingredients, but when used the right way, they can deeply nourish your skin, improve elasticity, and help reduce the appearance of fine lines. Let's go step by step, and I'll show you exactly how to make this at home. Step 1. Preparing the infused oil. Start with 1 tablespoon of cloves. Grind them into a fine powder using a spice grinder. Now, add the ground cloves into a small pot. Next, take 7 to 8 bay leaves. If they're small, you can use around 10. Chop them into smaller pieces and add them to the pot. Now pour in 100 ml of olive oil. Add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Place the pot on low heat and let it gently simmer for about 7 to 8 minutes. This allows the oil to absorb all the beneficial compounds from the cloves and bay leaves. After that, remove it from heat and let it cool completely. Step 2. Preparing the herbal base. While the oil cools, let's prepare the base for the mask. Take another 7 to 8 bay leaves. Add 10 to 12 cloves. Pour in about 150 ml of water. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for 6 to 7 minutes. Once done, remove from heat and allow it to cool. Then strain the liquid. This herbal water is packed with antioxidants that help support skin repair and improve texture. Step 3. Making the cream base. Now, take your strained herbal water and pour it into a pot. Add 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. Stir continuously to avoid lumps. Place it on low heat and keep stirring. Within 2 to 3 minutes, it will thicken into a smooth, creamy texture. Once it reaches that consistency, remove it from heat. Step 4. Enriching the mask. While the mixture is still warm, add half a teaspoon of shea butter, half a teaspoon of the infused oil you prepared earlier. Mix everything well. Now add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 4 to 5 drops of vitamin E. Mix until smooth. What you now have is a rich, nourishing anti-aging mask. How to apply. Before applying, wash your face with a gentle cleanser. Apply the mask evenly across your face. Don't forget your under eye area, neck, décolleté, and hands. These areas age quickly and need care too. Once applied, relax your face. Avoid talking or making expressions. Leave the mask on for 30 minutes. Then rinse with lukewarm water. Follow with toner and your favorite moisturizer. How often to use? Use this mask 3 times a week. Store it in the refrigerator and use within 7 days. What results to expect? With consistent use, you may notice smoother looking skin, improved hydration, reduced appearance of fine lines, more even skin tone, firmer feel. The effect is not instant like cosmetic procedures, but it supports healthier skin over time. Important note, always do a patch test before applying any new skincare product. Natural doesn't always mean irritation-free for everyone. Try it for a week and see how your skin responds. If you do try it, share your experience in the comments. I read every single one. And if you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe for more simple, science-backed skincare tips you can actually use. See you in the next video.